going already. Yeah, I can record for 80 minutes.
Just make sure you get the gun. Don't care.
Go on, Chato! Lord, buddy.
Yeah, you don't care.
Hey, quick! Shut up!
Oh, Richie!
Oh, he made it over the hump. They lost like a bumper.
That's Richie's. That's Richie's bumper. Richie, I think you lost your bumper. Oh, he's back running. Give Chato a boost, Richie.
Go, Richie!
Woo! Overlapped Chato.
Nicole, I bet they're gonna put a jacked up tire like way bigger.
I mean, they got plenty of crap to fix it.
Yes, let's go! Look, there's a tire.
Go on, Richie!
Get it!
How did they blow out that quick? Well, the tire's still going.
We probably had something to do.
I know. Maybe not getting as much air as most people. Oh, they're smoking too.
Keep your hand in the car.
Hand in the vehicle at all times.
Oh, get him! Go, Chato!
There you go. Oh, there goes the hood. Woo! Got a little flat up there.
At its last living.
I know, that tire's like on its last limb. Richie cut off again. Oh, no, never mind. It's on. I know. Never mind. Come on, Richie! Richie so far has got the best car.
Oh!
Woo!
At least it was on the side of the road.
Woo! He could have kept that car and drove it around, but no.
It's a better shape than the damn truck.
I know. Maybe not now, but before it was.
It probably is.
Yeah.
Other than it's soaking a little bit.
Woo! Richie Rich! Woohoo! Oh, whoa, Chato's screwed. I don't think Chato understands when enough's enough.
Yeah, he doesn't know. Give it up. Let him have his fun.
You know what? If the car blows up, whoopsie daisy.
He'll go flying somewhere and hopefully land in somebody's arms.
Like that's gonna happen.
Damn, I'm missing it all. We're gonna do a quick.
Good job, Chato! Woo! Woo!
Next time, shut up!
Good job, Armando!
How was that? Good?
They don't have enough.
Huh? Good job, Chato! And whoever else was with you. Session 2.